Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, today we start the chapter number 5, Matter and its states. Students, do you know anything about matter? What is matter? We see different things around us such as chair, table, chalk, furniture, etc. These are called matter. These things occupy space and has volume. Apart from these things, flowers, river and mountain, balloons, animal, moon and star, and all hard form things also known as matter. So, the matter defined as anything which has mass and occupies space is called matter. The mass, that means a large quantity or sum of anything which requires some space is called matter. For example, river, mountain, chair, etc. These are all included in matter. Our next topic is define volume. What is volume? Students, do you know about volume? What is volume? As we discussed above, things has volume and have proper shape. Like some things are big in size and some are small. For example, watermelon has big in size as compared to lemon. Watermelon is big in size as compared to lemon. Same as the tree big in size as compared to a plant. So we define volume as the space occupied by an object is called its volume. The space occupied by an object is called its volume. यानी कोई चीज़ अपने आप को एग्जिस्ट करने के लिए जो जगह घेरती है वो इसका वॉल्यूम होती है. Now we take one more example to understand the meaning of volume. Here we have the activity 5.1. Now students, you have to take two balls, a big ball and a small ball. Place them side by side and label up the big ball by name A and small ball by name B. Now students, tell me which of the two balls A and B has less volume and which of the two balls A and B has more amount of volume. So students, definitely the ball A has more amount of volume as compared to ball B. Students, bigger the size of an object, larger is its amount. Mean कोई चीज़ साइज में जितनी बड़ी होगी उसका जो वॉल्यूम है वो भी उतना ज़्यादा होगा. Bigger the size of an object, larger is its volume. I hope you will surely understand by volume with these two examples. The first example is watermelon and lemon and second is ball A and ball B. Students, our next topic is about mass. What is define mass? What is mass? Students, do you know anything about mass? Students, we discuss in the definition of matter about mass. So students, mass mean a quantity, a large quantity or sum. The definition of mass is the amount of matter in an object is called its mass. The amount of matter in an object is called its mass. मीन किसी चीज़ में मैटर जितना ज़्यादा होगा उसका मैस भी उतना ही ज़्यादा होगा. We take the activity 5.2 on page number 48 on your book to understand the meaning of mass. We take two objects. The first object is A and second is B. Now students, tell me which object has more mass. So students, definitely object A has more mass as compared to object B because the amount of matter in object A is greater as compared to object B. Same as we take one more assessment on page number 49 on your book to understand the meaning of mass. The activity is tick the object showing less mass. Here we have a dog and a buffalo. Students, tell me which between them which has less mass. Definitely dog has less mass as compared to buffalo. Next one is buffalo and an elephant. Tell me students, which has less mass? So the buffalo has less mass as compared to elephant. The third one is dog and an sparrow. Students, tell me which has less mass? Definitely sparrow has less mass as compared to dog. Students, there are some questions on page number 63 on your book. The first question 5.4, define the following. And the first part is matter, second is mass, and third one is volume. First one is matter. We discussed matter in previous. So we discussed matter. Define matter with example. Anything which has mass and occupies space is called matter, and the examples of matter are river, mountain, chair, etc. Our next question on page number 63 is define mass. The define mass and the answer is the amount of matter in an object is called its mass. Our third question on page number 63 is define volume. Define volume, and the answer is the space occupied by an object is called its volume. Students, I hope you will surely understand about the concept of matter, mass and volume. So take care for the next time. Allah Hafiz.